Hey y'all, I just wanted to come on here and tell you it's giveaway time, and I'm very excited to give away this $100 gift card to Bed Bath & Beyond. But before we get to the drawing, I just want to thank y'all so much for your support. And I've gotten over 500 followers on my new Facebook page, and I've got over 40,000 followers on my Instagram page, and I've had over 600 plus watch hours on my YouTube channel. So thank y'all so much for the support, and I hope that y'all will keep on watching my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Y'all, I have some really great recipes coming up. I'm gonna have a scampi, and I'm gonna have some salmon cakes and some different things coming up that y'all don't want to miss out on. So next we're gonna go ahead and draw for this gift card. So I've got a bunch of, all your names are in this colander. Let me pull one out. Sandy Harris, you are the winner for this $100 gift card to Bed Bath & Beyond. So we will get in touch with you after the drawing this evening and get you this card in the mail. So I'm excited for you to win this. We are going to be doing a drawing for the next 3 weeks. We're going to be giving away one of these lovely cutting boards. The nice thing about these is that they have a place here for your cell phone or your tablet, so you can watch my video while you're cutting up your veggies or slicing your meat or whatever it is that we're going to be doing that evening. And if y'all will help me and keep watching and following me, the more prizes I can give away and the better giveaways that we can actually do. So in order to get one of these, what you'll have to do is go on to my YouTube channel and actually subscribe to it, and then watch a video, and then comment cutting board in the comment section. And then if you'll hop on over to your Facebook page or your Instagram page and actually share the video, that'll get your name in the drawing. So again, you'll need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch a video, and comment cutting board in the comment and share it to Facebook or your Instagram. I really appreciate it. Thank y'all so much again for your support, and I'm looking forward to giving some other prizes away in the future. And y'all have a great evening. Thank you.